Hi, what's up guys, I'm Saikat and this is Tech Gadgets. So today in this video I'm gonna show you 10 cool hidden games in Google. Snake. Do you love to play the old Snake game that comes pre-built in Nokia feature phones? Well, the Snake game was made online during the comeback of Nokia's to the smartphone market. The best thing is that you can play the classic version of Snake game within the search results. Users just need to type Snake on the Google and press the enter button to play. Google Feud. In Google Feud, you just need to guess the most common autocomplete options for different searches. This game is great for those who belong to SEO section, as in this great game you can find out what the masses are searching for on Google. Google Feud searches are all up to date, so it is addictive. The TRex Game. If you use Google Chrome browser, then you can play this game without the need of internet connection. This game is actually playable when users are unable to connect to the internet. Users can start this game by pressing the spacebar. This game is highly addictive. Smarty Pins. Smarty Pins is a Google Maps based geography and trivia game. You just need to visit the website visible on your screen. This game actually tests your geography knowledge and it is highly addictive. Google Earth Flight Simulator. If you ever used Google Earth, then you might be familiar with this game. There is a hidden flight simulator game under the tools menu in Google search. With this game, you can fly over the cities across the world from the comfort of your home. Pacman. This is the old classic type of game which you can actually love to play on your Google search while in any free time. Just type in the name of the game as the keyword of Google search bar, then search it. You will be responded to this smart but unique type of game which you can play online. Zerg Rush. Type in the keyword Zerg Rush into the Google search bar and then in the search results you won't see any website links or something else like that, but you will see up the Zerg Rush game that you can also play up from there only. Tic Tac Toe. Ever played up the Tic Tac Toe on Google search? No? Then try it, as you just have to type in the keyword Tic Tac Toe in the Google search bar. Google will then ask you to choose the difficulty level and then you can start to play up the game. Put on the crosses and the Google will put on its nails in the boxes. Solitaire. This is a type of cards game which almost many of the people might be familiar with. But what about the relation with Google search? Yes, there is a relation, as you can also play up this game by just tapping in Solitaire in the Google search bar and hit the search button. Atari Breakout. Type in the Google search bar Atari Breakout and hit the search button and go to the images section of the search results. Google will respond to you with a great game that you will actually love to play. This simple but joyful game will never let you feel less of anything and you will enjoy it a lot. So that's all for today guys. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys don't like this video, please go to the comment box and state your reason there. And if you guys like this video, please hit the subscribe button down there. It is free to subscribe, and I am Saikat signing off for today. We'll be back with a new video soon. So till then, goodbye.